Okay, hello, what's up? Today is March 11, 2023. Almost more than 2 months akong walang training. Tumigil akong mag-workout is around December 2022. So more than 2 months na walang training. Start ko ulit magbuhat. Pakita ko sa inyo yung katawan ko ngayon para makita yung difference na siguro 3 months result. Or yung progress, para makita yung progress itong 2023. Okay, so yan. So current condition ko ngayon. Kasi nagbakasyon ako ng more than 2 months. 2 months tapos hindi ako nagbuhat pagdating ko. So ito yung condition ko today. So yan. Update ko pa yun mga siguro after 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks na lang yung update ko. Okay, dahil first day ng workout ko, so yung buhat ko is basic lang, hindi siya mabigat, yung tamang weight lang, full body training ako ngayon, and lightweight lang kasi first day ko. So ayaw kong parang mabigla ulit yung katawan, ganun yung style ko pag mga first day, matagal lang napahinga, lightweight lang yung workout. So yung general exercise ko, gagawin ko yan ng 3 days. And then after that, next workout program ko after 3 days na full body training. Okay, so yung first exercise ko is back. Lat pull down, front, and then after that, seated low cable rope. Okay, yun yung dalawang back exercise. Okay, so tapos na yung 2 exercises ng back. Next is chest, isang compound tsaka isang isolation. So ang gagawin ko is yung chest press machine tsaka yung leg fly. Okay, so tapos na yung chest. Next will be shoulder. Gawa ko ng isang compound exercise shoulder and isang isolation. Tapos na yung shoulder. Next is isang exercise ng tricep, tsaka isang exercise ng bicep. Tapos na yung arms, bicep and tricep. Tig-isa lang. Next, last exercise ko is, not last, second to the last, legs. So gawa lang ako ng isang compound exercise sa legs, which is the squat. And then after the squat, gawa ko ng exercise, one exercise for abdominal, and that's it, it's done. Tapos cardio lang ako ng mga 5 to 10 minutes and that's finished. Video lang ako, treadmill lang ako ng mga 5 to 10 minutes and then tapos na. After that, stretching, finish yung first day. Yung first day ko, full body workout. Yung program ko is lahat 3 sets siya, 12 repetition. Lightweight or moderate weight lang, hindi siya heavy kasi first day. 2 exercise each muscle group, pero yung arms, yung bicep and tricep, isa lang ginawa ko, tsaka isang legs lang na compound exercise ng legs, which is the squat. And then isang abdominal, tsaka ngayon cardio. So yan. Gagawin ko tong program na to for 3 days, pero gradually increase yung weight. So tomorrow same pa rin, pero yung weight i-increase ko, and then the next day, the third day, increase ko ulit yung weight. After that, change ko yung program routine. So ayan, see you again after 3 days. Peace, God bless.